Hey, so I was just gonna show you how I'm just cutting it up. How are y'all? Y'all ready for Christmas yet? Whew. We have our family Christmas in a couple of days, and I'm not 100% finished with wrapping yet, but that's all right. It'll happen. But I figure we ain't gonna have any clean clothes if I don't get my laundry made. So perfect opportunity to display my ring. I took a picture for you guys. So anyway, can you see? It's pretty. So I'm just making my laundry detergent so I can continue on with the laundry, and then I'm gonna get back started wrapping. So I almost ran completely out. I probably have enough for 2 more loads, so I didn't want to wait any longer. So I'm just cutting it up. One time, the first time we made it, that laundry may be loud in there. If it is, I apologize. You can hear the dryer going in the background. But Caitlin came in and saw this cut up one time and thought it was slices of cheese, because, I mean, it kind of does look like it, doesn't it? So then I just go back through after I have all these individual ones made. Just come back and cut it up small, and then we're gonna grab a little bit of this with a little bit of the powder. I'll probably share the video where we've made it before. So just mix it, do a little bit at a time. It's time consuming, but it's so worth it. Lasts forever, and it smells delicious. So it doesn't smell delicious, I'm sorry. There's nothing delicious smelling about it. It smells very clean. I'm not gonna eat this. It doesn't even smell remotely like I want to eat it, but it does smell very clean. So, all right, I'll let y'all see it in a little bit. All right, so I've got it all cut up now. You see how little I have it, like just little bitty pieces, and I'll just get maybe that much at a time and sprinkle some powder, then a little soap, and then a little bit more powder, blend it, throw it in the trash bag. At the very end, we dump it all together, mix it up good, and then put it back in my glass container. So, all right, let me keep going. Got lots to do today. How about y'all? So this is the borax, so I'm just gonna pour a little bit of it in. And it's just basically to make sure your little blades in there don't get caught up in the soap, and the soap get in one big clump down there. And I'll just put some of that in. Put a little bit more in. Put the lid on. Blend it up. I may do it one time for you guys. It's not super easy to video and do it at the same time. Okay, let's see. And I usually start with like a little pour. Okay. See? It's all grounded. That way you don't have any clumps of soap in your detergent. Alright, so when I get done with one, I just dump it over in here and close the bag really quick, because it's like dust. And that's just the soap and borax blended together. Now I'm going to start adding everything else and get it all mixed up. I've dumped everything in here, and I'm just going to show you an easier way, but I was just getting some of it divided out. But anyway, you just keep adding and adding and adding. And then I'm going to sprinkle the purple scent boosters in here. And then I'm going to tie the bag up and flip it in all kinds of directions to get everything thoroughly mixed. So, and then I'm going to cut one corner and get it down into the clear thing. So I was just going to let you see all of it. So far, this is before I add the purple crystals. And you can pick whatever scent you like. I just like that. I just like that It smells good to me. So, whatever you choose though. This part's probably gonna look silly, but you just pick it up and after you tie it, I have it always double bagged just in case. You just never know. So, just shake, shake it all around. And it mixes it thoroughly. Flip it the other way. This is a lot of work, I know. It really is once you do it. I've done it like, I've made 3 batches so far since I started using it, but it's worth it to me to save the money. Alright, this is the trickiest part, is getting it over here where y'all can see it without making a mess. You just get the corner pieces of your trash bags and cut them. That's how I fill my glass. That's perfect. Let me show y'all. See? You know how long this is going to last me? Months and months and months. Alright, so this is how big the jug is. I gotta clean up my mess, but I'm gonna put it back in the laundry room.